up, gang? Sebastian from Overland Subaru International. I hope you're doing great. Wow, summer was super nice. Paddleboard, a lot of activities and everything. Today, it's all about Zec des Martres in Charlevoix. So this is where we're going right now. I hope you're gonna like this episode and you're gonna be there until the end, because I have very good information which is coming up. Alright, so if you want to know the story about the Zec des Martres and you're trying to find some information about it, because there's not much, to be honest with you. I looked at it, there's not much people who actually go there and report a lot of stuff. So where to gas, if you could get some water some way somehow. If you want to do some other activities around, for us, plan will be maybe the hiking Dome, so the Dome mountains. So that's the plan for Sunday, and we're coming back Monday. Monday, it's a holiday here in Quebec, so this is what's going on right now. So I hope you're gonna like it, and it starts right now. Oh yeah. All right, so I've done a lot of research about the Zec des Martres, and I found a couple of places to go to visit, and especially a couple of lakes around where I'm going to be able to actually use my SUP for let's say a ride or so. Now the other thing is, I have a Subaru Forester over there. It's pretty, these hills are very high. We're talking about 1,000 meters when you're expecting to go somewhere. Now if you look closely, I found two mountains, and this spot is actually pretty wide, and this is actually the goal for the weekend, to see if we could go there and if we could see what's over there. And this is actually the target for the weekend. Now, if, as you can see right now, this mountain is 1,000 meters, and it's huge, high in the sky. Now, for people who actually live over there, you can see clearly what is, but for overlander like us, who doesn't know where we're going except on a little map on Gaia, this is actually what's going on, and this is actually very nice. These hills are pretty inclined, so the problem is the Subaru might not go all the way through. This is actually one of the issue. Now the other thing is, my father, he's holding a beautiful trailer, and this is another problem. Now the thing is, he's not going to be able to actually go all around with this trailer. Now the thing is, I'm going to give you the bonus of where that is into the end of the video. I hope so you're going to like it for that part. Yep, on the highway, on the 40 direction, we're going to Zec des Martres, as I said, and that's going to be a beautiful weekend. As you can see right now, blue sky. I hope it's going to stay as is. Normally, what the weather network said, 40% of chance of thunderstorm. So we'll see. And for the rest, yeah, it's a start. I'm gonna like it. So in front, if you wonder, it's actually O'Neill. He's a very good photograph, and you're gonna see some nice picture from there. So guys, arriving late to a camp, it's not the best thing to do, but according to what's going on right now, we had no choice. That's what it is. So far right now, cell coverage, just to let you know, on the 138 up north, it's great. You won't miss any cell service at all. So that's for the cell service. Normally, when you gotta take the 381 up north, the cell coverage, it depends on the company, I would say. I double check for Bell and Rogers, the two big ones. TELUS, I don't know, but it's Saint-Urbain actually. So that's the highest point where you're gonna have cell service. The night was just amazing. Now, pretty good breakfast we just got there, and we're gonna enjoy our day today just by doing the exploration of this beautiful Zec we have over there. Then eventually we're gonna just see around the mountains, the lake, and everything. There's very nice spots. I'll show you. Alright, so as you can see right now, we have my father on the left side with his trailer, the ProLite. It's a very nice one for the Subaru, very light and everything. However, if you want to overland in these trails, yeah, it's pretty rough for the trailer. So we need to actually leave the trailer behind if you want to do some trail and explore around, because it's going to be very nice. Alright, so it's Saturday morning and drone we're flying right now because it's so gorgeous. The sunset is over there. The parents just wake up, and same thing for the kids. And yeah, that's our place. The place of Zec des Martres was so jam-packed. That's the only place we found Friday night. And it was easier for us just to actually meet up, because my parents was supposed to arrive at the same times, but they arrived much more later due to the heavy weight of the trailer. Now, this is actually what's going on. Let's start our day by a beautiful sunshine and 20 degrees. Oh yeah. Sorry for my little face there. But yeah, that's what I see right now when I'm in my bed. And this is Megan. Hello, you're into my Insta Babe video. Yes. Are you vlogging? Yes, I am. So as you saw, we have a beautiful footage of the sunrise this morning. So that's pretty nice. And this is actually what we have right now. Pretty neat. It's very cool. And that's the spot as you saw. And yeah, we got the kids for sure. Hunting season is on the go, so we're gonna take care of that. So we're gonna be careful just to make sure we're not gonna have any problem. We're not gonna hunt today, but oh yeah, sunshine. This is a cold night. Not too bad. I would say a good 6 Celsius. So that's pretty cold. I got a new matless. I'm gonna do a little review on that. It's a Thermarest life warranty. It's a 4-inch matless, so it's a pretty good one. And behind, as you can see, we have family and friend. There's a lot of people. Zec des Martres right now. It's a lot of people. But we were here Friday night, late. We arrived 10 o'clock. Parents was lost. Meet up the next day. Lucky they knew where the spot we were looking for. At least that's good.
Je veux la sortir, là, mon cachette. Allez! 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 Ta soeur est là. Je veux que ta soeur, quand elle est avec une roche.
Ben plus fun une roche. Voyons là.
Tu ben non, pourquoi?
Il y a une roche qui dépasse dans la rampe. M'a la tasser. Yep, so the plan today is to get some ice. Ooh, bumpy. Get some ice, then after, we're going back and we're just gonna look around and have some fun. We need some ice, battery, chips. So we're going in town.
Chips, peanut, beer.
Oh yeah, beer. We got some. That's a 381 cell service. You're gonna have it up to like they sing. After all, it's pretty on and off. And this is actually the access. As you can see, there's a lot of people here.
Si on arrive au dôme à 11h,
c'est bordel. Ah, like they sing. Damn, il y a 3 parkings ici là. Damn. Holy fuck. Right up. Check the view. Boom. Oh boy. Just like this. Woohoo! As you can see right now, we lost precious time during the day. We were supposed to do Mont Dome right now, but I guess we're gonna put that for another day just because we forgot things yesterday night. And now we need to actually grab some water, grab some beer, grab some ice and everything. We need to go back in town, and that's what we did. So after all, we need to go back, meet the parents, and see what's next. And what's gonna be next, it will be the exploration of that beautiful Zec right now. So we hope we could actually go see that White Mountains and see what we have over there. And we're not gonna have any much trouble with one of our cars, whatever, if it's actually too inclined or so. So let's double check. Alright, so paddleboard we go, because tomorrow it's going to be a rainy day, so this is actually the time to do that. Thanks to my friend Jonathan. Yep, thanks very much, because this is actually the sky we have, and this is the place we got. Guys, Check out the day. We're moving with the wind right now. And yeah, Zec des Martres. It's going pretty quick, just by the wind. Yeah, it's so nice. Check out the mountains there. There's only one cottage there, pretty big. And yeah, tomorrow, according to Weather Network, it's gonna rain at 90%. We're crossing pretty quick. Imagine when I'm gonna come back. That's gonna be funny. So, yeah. Unbelievable. It's so gorgeous here. Well, after an hour or so, didn't check, but that's about it. Back to the base camp. SUP. Yeah, that was nice. Now, I need to drink something because I didn't bring anything. So, back home. I'll show you on Gaia what I did. It's a small lake. Did the tour, meet some very good people. It was very nice. After that beautiful time on the lake, it's now time to explore and see other place to go. This is one of the place my father wanted to go with his trailer, but it was a bit too far away. So this is the next beach. On the bridge. That's a nice place. Check this spot. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yep. That's the place. Oh yeah. Let's go see the beach. Or if we could call it a beach. Let's see. Ooh. Sounds interesting. Looks like we are not the only one who actually tried to pass here. So, yeah, quad, no problem. Right. Oh yeah. Check it out. Freaking nice. Right up. Well, this is called an opening. Gee. I was not expecting sand like that. Alright guys, that's the surprise I got for you. So this is the location of that beautiful beach. Now this is how to go. And see you next week for the episode number 2. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.